All right, so yesterday we started working on identifying polynomials, classifying them based on the degree and the number of terms, and I threw in a few problems as far as evaluating polynomials. That's what I really wanted to hit on today. The problems that you're going to work on for today as well. There's more of evaluating polynomials. Also repost the notes from yesterday as far as how to classify. There's nothing too special there. You just got to remember the names, and what terms go with what. So as far as these problems go, we're going to let x equal 2, and we're going to evaluate. Let's go with 3x squared minus 7x plus 8. So first thing you do when you substitute is make sure you use parentheses. All right, so let's try to avoid throwing all this in our calculator and hoping for the best. Remember, follow your order of operations. So first thing you gotta do is parentheses. There's nothing to simplify within the parentheses. So we go to our exponents. So 2 squared is 4. 2 times 2. We can do 7 times 2 is 14. The plus 8's just hanging out there. Next up, do 3 times 4 is 12. Minus 14 plus 8. Once you get it down to all addition and subtraction, just go left to right. So 12 minus 14 is negative 2. And negative 2 plus 8 is 6. Okay, so again, always use parentheses. Next up, let's let x equal negative 1, and we're going to evaluate, how about 5x to the 4th plus 4x to the 3rd minus 3x squared. All right, so first up, substitute, use parentheses. So we got negative 1 to the 4th plus 4 times negative 1 to the 3rd minus 3 times negative 1 squared. So again, just a little sidebar here. Negative 1 to the 4th is negative 1 times negative 1 times negative 1 times negative 1. So it's going to be a positive 1 because negative times a negative is a positive. Positive times a negative is a negative. Negative times a negative is a positive. So now we got 5 times 1. Plus 4 times negative 1 to the 3rd. Again, negative 1 to the 3rd, just kind of backtracking here a little bit. Negative 1 times negative 1 is positive 1. Positive 1 times negative 1 is negative 1. So it's going to be a negative 1 there. Negative 1 squared is negative 1 times negative 1, so you get positive 1. So here we're going to have 5. Positive 4 times negative 1 is minus 4. Negative 3 times 1, negative 3. So 5 minus 4 is 1. 1 minus 3 then, negative 2. All right, now let's do one more here. So last up, let's go let x equal, how about negative 3? And we're going to evaluate about 4x squared plus 5x minus 12. So it's going to be 4 times negative 3 squared plus 5 times negative 3 minus 12. So first up again, big thing is exponents, then multiply. So negative 3 squared is 9. If some of you might do 4 times negative 3 is negative 12, then do negative 12 squared, and you get 144, so you're way off. Positive 5 times negative 3 is minus 15, minus 12. So we got 36 minus 15 minus 12. So 36 minus 15 is 21, minus 12 is 9. All right, so there's some of these on the practice worksheet that I'm going to post to for today. So try those out. But these are some good problems. Do them again. Copy down the problem, and then pause the video and try and complete it. See if you get it right. Okay. Have a good day.